Trees are hierarchical data structures with nodes connected by edges. Each tree has a root node, branches, and leaves. Binary trees, a subset, have nodes with up to 2 children, optimizing search and sort operations. Understanding these structures is crucial for efficient algorithm design and implementation in software development. Binary trees are a specialized form of tree data structures where each node has at most 2 children, known as the left and right child. They are fundamental in implementing efficient searching and sorting algorithms. Understanding their structure and characteristics is crucial for optimizing performance in various computational tasks. Trees are hierarchical structures with nodes connected by edges, ideal for modeling parent-child relationships. Each tree has a root node, and nodes can have children or be leaves. This structure supports efficient searching and sorting. Trees are fundamental in computing, seen in file systems, document object model structures, database indexes, and more, enabling powerful algorithmic techniques. The root is the topmost node with no parent. A parent node connects directly to its child. Leaves are nodes without children. A subtree includes a node and its descendants. Height is the longest path from a node to a leaf, while depth is the path from the root to a node. Nodes at the same depth form a level. The basic tree node implementation in Python begins with a simple class, treeNode, which holds data and references to its children. This design allows for trees of any width. For example, a tree with a root node, Chief Executive Officer, can have children Chief Technology Officer and Chief Financial Officer, demonstrating the flexibility and simplicity of this structure. Binary trees are specialized structures where each node has up to 2 children, known as left and right. This constraint enhances efficiency and predictability in memory usage. They form the basis for advanced structures like binary search trees and heaps, offering a balance between simplicity and algorithmic power. A binary tree node is defined with explicit left and right child pointers, enhancing clarity and efficiency in traversal algorithms. This structure, exemplified by a simple tree with nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, serves as a foundation for advanced structures. None values naturally represent missing children, simplifying implementation. Binary trees come in various forms, each with unique properties. A full binary tree ensures every node has 0 or 2 children, creating symmetry. Complete binary trees fill levels left to right, ideal for heaps. Perfect binary trees have all leaves at the same level, maximizing nodes. Balanced binary trees maintain height differences, ensuring efficient operations. A perfect binary tree with height h has 2 arch nodes at the last level and 2 bars h plus 1 total nodes. The minimum height for n nodes is log 2n, typical in complete binary trees. Any tree with n nodes has n1 edges. These properties are crucial for analyzing algorithms and predicting performance in tree-based structures. Tree traversal is crucial for visiting each node systematically. In binary trees, 4 primary methods exist: in order, pre-order, post-order, and level order. Each method offers unique characteristics and applications, essential for solving diverse algorithmic problems efficiently. Mastery of these strategies enhances the ability to work with tree-based algorithms effectively. Depth-first traversals include in-order, pre-order, and post-order methods. In-order visits left subtree, root, then right, yielding sorted output for binary search trees. Pre-order starts with the root, then left and right, useful for tree serialization. Post-order processes children before the parent, ideal for tree deletion and post-fix evaluation. Recursion simplifies these traversals. In-order traversal, defined as left root right, is crucial for retrieving sorted data from binary search trees. The recursive approach efficiently navigates the tree, visiting the left subtree, then the root, and finally the right subtree. This method ensures nodes are processed in ascending order, exemplified by the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 for the given tree. Pre-order traversal visits the root before its children, creating a structural copy of the tree. Post-order traversal, however, processes children before the root, crucial for operations like tree deletion. These methods provide unique insights into tree structures, each serving distinct purposes in data processing and manipulation. Level order traversal, or breadth-first search, processes nodes level by level, using a queue to manage node order. This method is crucial for tasks like finding shortest paths and level-wise processing. By ensuring all nodes at a given depth are processed before moving deeper, it provides a structured approach to tree serialization. Binary search trees, BST, maintain an ordering property. Left subtree values are smaller, right are larger. This enables efficient O log n operations for search, insertion, and deletion. BSTs combine the search efficiency of arrays with the flexibility of linked lists, crucial for databases, file systems, and algorithms needing ordered data with frequent updates. Binary search tree core operations include search, insert, and delete. Search compares the target with nodes, navigating left or right. Insert finds the correct leaf position, maintaining binary search tree properties. Deletion is complex, handling leaf nodes, single children, or two children by finding the in-order successor. Balanced binary search trees offer O log n efficiency, while unbalanced ones degrade to ON. The search operation in a binary search tree, BST, uses recursion to navigate the tree. Starting from the root, it compares the target value with the current node. If smaller, it searches the left subtree. If larger, the right. This process continues until the target is found or the subtree is empty, achieving O log n time in balanced trees. The insert operation in a binary search tree, BST, involves finding the correct leaf position for the new value. Starting from the root, compare the value with each node. If smaller, move left. If larger, move right. Once a leaf position is found, insert the new node, ensuring the BST property is maintained. Deletion in a binary search tree involves three cases. For a leaf node, simply remove it. If the node has one child, connect its parent to the child. With two children, replace the node with its in-order successor or predecessor, then delete the successor or predecessor to maintain the tree's structure. Balanced binary search trees, BSTs, maintain a height of approximately log 2n, ensuring efficient O log n operations. Self-balancing trees like AVL and red-black trees achieve this through rotations. In contrast, unbalanced BSTs can degrade to a linked list form, resulting in ON operations. Real-world systems often employ self-balancing variants to ensure optimal performance. Advanced tree structures like heaps, tries, and AVL trees optimize specific use cases. Heaps, complete binary trees, support priority queues with O log n insertion. Tries or prefix trees enable efficient string operations with OM lookup. AVL trees, self-balancing binary search trees, maintain strict height balance, ensuring O log n operations, albeit with higher balancing overhead. Python's heapEQ module efficiently implements a min heap using arrays. The implicit tree structure uses indices, left child at 2i plus 1, right child at 2i plus 2. This approach reduces pointer overhead. Use heapq.heappush to add elements and heapq.heappop to extract the minimum. Convert lists to heaps in place with heapq.heapify, achieving ON complexity. File systems utilize tree structures for efficient directory traversal and search, with NTFS and XT4 using B-trees for indexing. In databases, B-trees and B+ trees enable O log n queries, crucial for PostgreSQL and MySQL. Web browsers parse HTML into DOM trees, allowing JavaScript and CSS to efficiently manipulate and style web pages. Choosing the right tree structure is crucial. Use binary search trees for dynamic ordered data, heaps for priority queues, and tries for string operations. Avoid unbalanced trees. They degrade performance to ON. Handle edge cases like none nodes, and consider iterative approaches to prevent stack overflow in deep trees. Red-black trees offer better average performance for frequent operations. Trees offer a hierarchical structure crucial for efficient data organization, from file systems to databases. Binary trees, with their two-child constraint, balance simplicity and expressiveness, supporting structures like binary search trees and heaps. Mastering traversal patterns like in-order and pre-order is essential, as balance is key for performance, ensuring logarithmic efficiency in production systems.